Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and retrieve deleted junk mail from Hotmail. Let's begin. First, log into your accounts and head to the deleted items folder once you are inside, okay? Over here, click on this folder, then you can browse all of the deleted emails and you can easily click on recover or restore. All right. If that option or you are not able to find any of your emails into the deleted or junk mail, okay, you also have the option to recover items deleted from this folder, usually from the past 30 days. All right. Make sure to click on this option. And that's it. That's actually how we can easily retrieve and find our deleted junk mails. I hope you found this video very helpful.